How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 71 LeMans Sport. Super cool car, done in Tuxedo Black. They did a custom TA shaker hood. Very nice job. It's got the correct shaker and everything. Car's real straight down the sides. Tell you, and being black, it's, you know how hard it is to make them look real nice. And this car is slick. Got a nice set of 17-inch PMD wheels. Got 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got posi rear. They did Judge wing on it. So the rear bumper's been re-chromed. And the LeMans Sports had the dual exhaust with the cutout valance. It's got your dual sport mirrors. I really like these 17-inch PMD wheels on these cars. It's got a nice mild built 400 in it, aluminum intake and Holley. It's got a nice heavy duty aluminum radiator, power steering, your power disc brakes. So they did a really nice job doing the shaker scoop. It's got 700 R4 overdrive trans. The interior in the car is pretty much all the original. In excellent condition. It's got factory tilt wheel. Headliner looks real nice and tight in it. Got all your front and rear seat belts. Jams all look nice. Just a super nice car. Got the factory jack and a spare. Trunk looks real good in it. Tell you, for being original interior, all the panels very nice. I believe they've recovered the front seats, but everything else besides the carpet is, you know, original. It's got a nice AM/FM stereo with iPod capability, original center console. Got a set of Doug's headers and full master exhaust. Got a nice little rumble to it. Good looking car. It's just tough being all black in front. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.